Hey there, Dory Staley here, drum therapist and owner of Next Stage Drumming. Today we're going to do a different kind of exercise. With the holidays right around the corner, you might be feeling super stressed out. Or if you're a business owner or a creative, you know that year end is coming and you might be trying to really hustle and grind to make sure that you get everything in before the year end. Or maybe you're thinking about families coming to visit and that stresses you out. Whatever the case may be, we're going to do a few things today that are going to help you relax, release, and also reframe things so that you can look at things from a different perspective. Now, I have a djembe drum here with me today. As you can see, I have lots of different drums that I could use. If you don't have a drum of any kind, that's okay. You can still do this. It's going to be easy beats that you can do on your legs or a tabletop or use a book or whatever you have. So the relaxing part starts when you take a few deep breaths. So breathe in, hold it, breathe out. One more. Breathe in, hold it, breathe out. If you have a drum available, especially a hand drum, you can just drum in a circle. Creates a nice sweeping effect. Sounds like the ocean. There you go. Now we'll start with a basic heartbeat, 2 beats in the middle for starters. Now add a beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Got it? Okay, hang on. 3, 2, ready, and stop. Okay, so you're going to keep your basic beat in rhythm. You can add a little something something to the mix. If you're if you're feeling comfortable, go for it. But what I want you to do is instead of thinking about the things that are stressing you out, think about things that you are grateful for and go down the list. I can't hear you, so have at it. Whatever comes to mind, from the really simple, basic things like, it's a great day outside, or you have a car that works, or there's food in the fridge. Whatever it is, family and friends, just go down the list, because you know what? A lot of us tend to forget that even when things are going really off the rails or are super stressful, there's always something to be thankful for. So get back to your basic beat and then start thinking about those things that you're thankful for or your blessings. Are you ready? Here we go again. Okay, so you can keep going with that because you see where I'm going. It's pretty repetitive for a reason, though, because if you make it too complicated and fancy, then you won't be able to think about all the things that you are thankful for. So keep it really easy and really keep that steady beat going. And just remember that there's loads of things to be thankful for no matter what. All right, roll your shoulders, take a deep breath in and out, and just remind yourself that everything will be okay. And to everything, there is a season. So hang in there, folks. As we're entering the holiday season, remember, take a break, take a breath, tap out some beats. See you again soon. Keep on rocking.